What's going on YouTube? Modeling Nut back at you with another build video. So as you can see, got some masking tape on the old girl. She's now finally mounted to the base. Not gonna reveal the full side of this yet, the sides of this yet, but have been doing quite a bit of work getting the underside done, getting the sides done, a little bit of weathering with some rust powders, stuff like that, some oil lines and stuff like that to try to get the the ribbing that would come through when the ships would scrape against the bumpers. Apologize, please ignore the pups. Used LP18, which again I had originally tried on the hull, didn't like the color, so came back and knew I wanted to use that on the upper deck though, as to be honest, in the camera view here, it looks a lot more red than what it actually is. However, the one thing that I have liked about this color is that it doesn't go on super thick. Where it's in between runs is where I was coming in from both sides to get all 4 angles of the hatches colored and stuff like that. But the one thing that I did like about it is the fact that then kind of got it a good mottled look, something that's not just a block of red. Again, in the camera, it probably doesn't look as good. Just kind of looking at it through my little phone screen, it doesn't look as clear and as good, but into the naked eye, it actually is really nice. Most of the hatches are just lightly red, with the darker in between, which again, I'm going for a look of how the Edmund Fitzgerald would have been late season. Not 1975, but maybe, late 60s, early 70s, something to that effect. But in the interim, though, also been working to get other little parts done. So I have the hatch cover crane. So got it all assembled, done some test fitting, things like that. There is, there was one hatch that just didn't really look that great, so I'll probably use this more or less as a cover, just to kind of block out, a hatch that I don't like or something like that. But does sit pretty close to on the track, the tracking and stuff like that. But still got to get that painted up in white. But so far, again, build's going really pretty well. The parts mostly are fitting the way that they should, with just a little bit of warpage here and there, stuff like that. But again, it's old resin, you'll get that. The other thing that I worked to do tonight, I got the deck house, or the wheelhouse I should say, all of the parts back in on that. So I think that looks pretty good. So that'll be getting into paint here soon. Also, because I got the red, the decking, got this for the back, as well as the floor color for the fantail. So coming along fairly nicely. Probably be another part or two to just get the lower hull done, and then at that point we'll be getting the crane done, because that really at this point is just paint. Maybe a light bit of weathering, pin wash, something like that, and then she's ready to go on. But I need the deck done so that I can then get that on. So again, just a quick build update on this. Been able to actually get on working on it quite a bit here of late. So yeah, if you have any questions, comments, definitely post them down below, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.